What's up, YouTube? It's your boy A House Music. I'm finally back, man. I had technical difficulties. I shot a basketball scene at LA Fitness and my camera lens on my DSLR broke. So that happened about 2 weeks ago, but at the same time I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do, whether I was going to get another camera lens or figure out a way to fix this camera lens on my DSLR. As you can see, the camera lens, it's attached to it. It's attached, but I had to use Gorilla Glue to fix my camera lens, and so far it's doing a great job.
12 seconds later.
Bruh. Man, y'all, as I was about to record me getting my hair cut, the lens popped off again. I was just about to shoot getting my hair cut, and so I am gonna have to get a new lens for my Pentax. I'm gonna go look online and see how much they are. So that's gonna halt me on doing a haircut video.